Your smart solution for seamless data transfer between Excel and Tally Prime software. With Tally Connects, you can easily transfer ledgers, stock items, sales, purchases, payments, receipts, bank statements, journals, credit and debit notes, and much more from Excel directly to Tally. Our software offers flexible features like match and map your Excel ledgers and stock items with Tally's records. The Smart Auto Mapping option for easy and accurate data integration. Automatically create GST ledgers, making your work even easier. Save time and reduce the workload for your company with Tally Connects software. And many more advanced features. Cut down the workload of 10 staff by using our innovative software, achieving 10x cost savings while also saving valuable time. With over 5,000 clients, a 4.9 Google rating, and a 90% renewal rate, we are proud of the trust our clients place in us. Get a free online demo today. Just contact us at the numbers or visit website.